Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and today I'm gonna present you what Nalys is doing to help its customers deal with build issues. Most companies set up their build automation around make or CMake. While efficient and easy to configure at first, those tools require a lot of maintenance to keep up with a growing business. As more developers work on those projects and more applications and libraries are added to the system, complexity grows and builds become less efficient. The build framework becomes more complex, dependencies become unclear, and the whole system gets slower. Most companies don't see the incoming problem and usually don't want to allocate resources specifically to maintain the build framework. Others think they still have time before it starts to be a problem, or they don't have budget for it. It is not an easily measurable problem. How much time do you really waste and how much money does it cost you in the end? Here at Nalys, we thought of a way to approach this recurring issue in a more strict way. How? Well, using a declarative approach, we developed a generic framework tailored for different languages and of course different build managers. Dependencies can be clearly expressed and you can take advantage of any build manager without fearing the cost of switching over. The system is more strict and that makes your build reproducible, right and performant. The solution is very adaptable and can be applied on your current build system as fast as in a few weeks. Want to know more? Visit our website at www.nalys-group.com.